So for my standard to involve art in mathematics, I will be using a kindergarten standard on counting. And so if it was a virtual activity at home, I would get the parents to bring objects. They could bring Legos, marbles, just any small toy or something they had that they could count. They only needed like 10 of them. Like, kids have all kinds of toys, so they could bring anything they want, and that would get the kids encouraged and excited about the activity. So then they would bring it, and then I'd have the parents, get it together for them, and then place the camera where I could see the objects. And I'm like, okay, well, pick out, set 2 of these objects to the side, or can you count out 2 of these objects for me? And then I would have them count it out, and then I would check it and see. And we just keep repeating that with objects, like 2, 4, 5, 6, whatever. We would keep repeating that until they seem to understand, counting out the objects. And that way they can see counting in action and not just have it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They can understand what the number represents, like the standard mentioned. Also, to involve some movement in my virtual activity, after we got done with objects, I'm going to be like, to see if they're grasping the concept even further without having to see an object, I would be like, well, can you repeat after me? And then I would maybe go and clap twice, and then they would have to clap twice. And I'm like, okay, well, how many times did I count? How many times did you clap? And then they would be like, 1, 2. And then if they didn't get it right off, I would assist a little bit and say, well, look, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3. And then I could snap. I could do, just depending on time, I would do a bunch of different movements, or I might just do a saying we say all the time, or something like that. And then, so those would be my movement and using objects and the arts. But then to like further the activity, they would have to go around. I type just a worksheet that I would have them do for homework or something, and their parents would help them go around and count all the doors, or count all the windows, or count all the beds and all that stuff listed on the activity. And that way they could get a little bit more experience counting, but get some more movement involved in the activity, where they feel like they're really up and just getting to participate while doing their math work. So yeah, those would be the 3 things I would do for my counting lesson for integrating art and mathematics.